Welcome to your glute workout on the reformer. Today we'll be doing two different exercises with a few different variations. Now, let's get started. All right, so to get started, we're first gonna put on one red and one blue spring. And we're gonna step up onto the deck first, and then bring your foot to the edge of the carriage. Now, I want your shin all the way up against the foot bar. Your big toe is gonna hang off the edge of the carriage to give you a little leverage to push out. Then we're gonna squat as low as possible here. Take a nice deep breath in. And when you're ready, big exhale as you press that carriage out. And then resist that spring as the carriage comes back in. We're going for about 15 reps here. Three more. Last one. Good. Carefully come all the way up. And you can either step off or simply step to your deck to turn around. We're gonna do the same thing facing the opposite direction. So again, set up with your shin against the foot bar, big toe hanging off the edge of the carriage. When you're ready, big press out, and then let that carriage slowly come back in. Again, resist that spring. Three more here. Last one. And carefully come all the way up. All right, so again, we're gonna turn around and then we're gonna go down and spring to one red and one yellow spring here. So we're gonna have the same setup for our low body. This time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a twist to this. I want you to bring your hands out in front of you, palms against each other, nice straight arms. As you press out, you're gonna rotate towards your foot bar and then release as you come back in. One more. And all the way up. Again, carefully turn around, facing the opposite direction. Same setup here, arms nice and long. When you're ready, big press out, rotating towards that foot bar, and then release as you bring the carriage in. Last one. And carefully come all the way up. All right, so again, we're gonna turn around. Next variation that we're gonna do is we're gonna actually be traveling with our carriage. So you need to go down to one red spring, or maybe even a little bit lower. This time we're keeping our weight over our leg on the deck. So you're gonna slowly press out, and then carriage back in. Slowly carriage out and back in. Again, I'm keeping my ankle, knee, and hip all in one line right over this carriage. Three more here. Last one. Excellent. All the way up, and again, carefully twist around, facing the opposite direction. Same thing. Squat nice and low. Remember, we're keeping our weight over our carriage foot the whole time. Start out slow. Three more. And last one. Good. All the way up. All right, we have one more variation. So again, careful as you turn around. Last one here. We're gonna start same setup as we've been doing. We're back with our shin against the foot bar, but we're gonna have our hand underneath our chest. As we press that carriage out, we're gonna twist and punch out over the foot bar, and then bring that carriage back in. Twist and punch, and back in. You got this. Three more. And all the way up. All right, so again, carefully we're gonna turn around, face in the opposite direction. The last one here. Same setup, shin against the foot bar, big toe hanging off the edge. Start with that hand right under your chest, and twist and punch, and bring it back into your chest. Twist and punch, and back into your chest. One more. And all the way up. All right, so carefully we're gonna step back off of our reformer. Now I'm on the right side of my reformer. I want you to lift your foot bar all the way up. We're still on one red spring. We're now gonna come into a standing glute press. So I want your right foot on the floor in line with your shoulder blocks. Grab your foot bar to brace yourself. Left foot back onto your shoulder block. When you're ready, nice big exhale as you press that carriage back, and slowly bring it back in. Really extend that left leg as you press back, squeezing into that left butt cheek. One more. Beautiful, all the way in. Carefully step over or walk around. We're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Again, I want your leg in line with your shoulder blocks. Then foot on the shoulder block closest to you. Brace yourself on your foot more as you press back. Last one. And all the way up. All right, so again, carefully either walk around or step over. This time we're gonna add on the yellow spring. So we're going up in our resistance a little bit. Same setup, foot on the floor in line with your shoulder blocks. Brace yourself as you press back. Three. And all the way down. All right, so again, step over to the opposite side. Same setup on this slightly heavier spring. When you're ready, big exhale, press back, tighten those abs, squeeze it into that right butt cheek. Last one. Excellent, all the way down. All right, we have one more round here. We're gonna take off that yellow and put on our blue. Same setup here again. We're on heavier spring. Last round here, you've got this. Big exhale, press back. Three more here. Last one. Excellent. All the way down. Again, step over one final time. When you're ready, big exhale, press back. Again, really brace yourself on that foot bar. Three, two, and one. Excellent. All the way in. And that is it for your glute workout. Again, 2 different exercises, adding some different variations and changing our spring. I do hope you enjoyed this workout. If you did, leave me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.